Guys, we're bringing the outdoors in and we're doing a beautiful ribeye steak on my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, hey, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red that button down there, not the bell next to it and the button. Do all that so you can get the alerts on all of what we're doing here, all the good things we're doing here, all the new Ninja Foodi Grill stuff we're doing here. That's right, guys. I got the Ninja Foodi Grill. We're gonna bring the outdoors inside. We're gonna do a nice, lovely, big fat ribeye steak on it. It's gonna take no time at all. It's gonna be delicious. What more can I say? So the first thing I did was take the steak out, let it come up to room temperature a little bit, and then I sprayed it down with a little canola oil. Because with that Ninja Foodi Grill, you need to have a high heat oil in there, so the canola oil works just perfectly for it. Took some old-fashioned Montreal seasoning straight from McCormick's. They get fancy with it. Put a couple sprigs of rosemary on top. Easy as can be. Let it sit for a little bit longer. Let the salts in that rub get into the steak. Make it come real nice. All right, we had to preheat the Foodi for about 10 minutes on the high setting, so it gets to about 500 degrees. And then I'm gonna bring you over here, let you hear what happens when we put that steak on that grill. The sizzle is real for sure. Come on over here. It's gonna be a quick, easy recipe, and the steak is gonna turn out wonderful. I've done many steaks on this Foodi Grill, and I'm telling you what, it rivals anything I have in the backyard as far as my smokers or my grills, all right? So I'm excited for this one. I'm excited to show you how we do this. All right, so come on over here, let's get started. All right, guys, the preheating is done. Let's get the steak on. Ready for that sizzle. Oh, yeah. All right, so we got that going. We're gonna go 4 minutes on one side, flip it over to the other side. Another 4 minutes, check it out, check the temp. We'll get ready to eat this bad boy. All right, guys, we're 4 minutes through. Hear that sizzle in there? Ooh. All right. Let's take a look. Oh, look at those sear marks. Perfection. All right, let's finish this up. Another 4 minutes. Okay, guys. Another 4 minutes and change is up. Let's check the temp. 135, 134, right? We're looking right at medium rare. All right, we're looking good. So we're gonna pull this off. Look at those sear marks. Dig it. All right, we're gonna pull this off, put it on the tray here, let it rest. Then we'll cut into the bad boy and have a feast. Let this rest, cut into it. Looks pretty dang good to me. Nice. Medium rare, nice and juicy. Very nice. All right, come on back for the taste test. All right, guys, we're done. Like I said, no time at all. 4 minutes aside. Let it relax a little bit. Let them juices kind of reabsorb in that meat. Tighten it up. Bring it tight. You don't want your juices falling out. You want them in the meat. Keep your heads out of the gutter, guys. All right, guys, so I've already cut up my steak right here. Let me just get one of these little bites. Beautiful, medium rare. I'm telling you, this is like no other indoor grill you've ever seen. There is no smoke coming out of this thing. This steak just turned out amazing. I love the flavor of the steak. I would never think I could do this indoors, but this Foodi Grill came out right, did it right. It's good stuff. All right, guys, that's it for today. Look for many more of these Foodi Grill videos. They're coming. They're gonna. We got a lot in the hopper. We got a lot of ideas we're gonna do with this. I'm loving it. I love that we can bring the outdoors in. I'm a big barbecue guy, so it's nice to know that I can show you ways to do things like in the barbecue, but indoors. So for those of you who don't have a barbecue grill outside, or you live in an apartment, or the weather's bad, whatever, you can do many things on the Ninja Foodi Grill that you can do outside on your barbecue grill. All right. So look for more videos coming our way. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see everything that's launched on these videos. That's it, guys. Appreciate you being here. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.